Welcome to our channel avis_pig. Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add subtitle permanently on a movie. First let's check movie contains subtitle or not. See, there is no subtitle track.
Any more questions?
Now let's add subtitle manually on the movie. Now subtitle track is shown. The demerit of this method is each time we open the movie, we have to load the subtitle again and again. Now let's learn how to add subtitle permanently on the movie. Here I will teach two methods. In the first method, the thing we have to do is make the name of movie and subtitles same. But keep in mind, don't change the extension .srt of the subtitle. Now you can see subtitle is added permanently.
6 seconds. 10 seconds ago, I was okay. The next.
But one disadvantage of this method is you have to keep the subtitle and the movie always together in the same folder. Now to overcome this demerit, we will merge the movie and the subtitle in the same file. Let's see how to do it in our next method. Now open your browser and go to the website filereport.com. In the source panel, search for the software MKV Toolmix. Press the download button. After clicking on download latest version, download will be automatically start. Open download location. Now run the setup to install the software. Click OK. Next. 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 It will take few seconds to install the software. Now click next and finish setup. Now search for the install software in start menu. Now the software opens. This is our login menu. Here we can do lot of stuff. Different tabs are available, but we are mainly engaged on first tab. So right click on that to add a file. File can be added from the option available below. Now let's add the movie and a subtitle so as to merge them in a single file. Now both the movie and subtitle are added. Now click on the button Start Multiplexing. Now the process has already started. We can see progress at the bottom corner. It will only take few seconds. Now the process has completed. Now you can see new movie file has been created. I will delete the subtitle track to see our method works or not. Let's open previous movie file to see whether it contains subtitle track or not. Obviously, it's not there. Now let's check our newly created movie file contains embedded subtitle track or not. You can see the subtitle track here. And the method works very well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our video.